A lot can happen in 50 years. Through successes, hard work and dedication, when knowledge, experience and preparation meet opportunity, a product comes along that can revolutionize your world. Introducing the NAD C3050. A stereophonic amp that combines the vintage-inspired design of the 1970s era with the modernity of the full high-res, multi-room streaming capabilities of Bluos and direct live room correction, and jam-packed with 50 years of NAD engineering prowess, iconic sound, retro-inspired. Learn more at nadelectronics.com/C3050.